Hello children, welcome to today's class which is mensuration, right, which is important one in geometry which deals with measuring the geometrical shapes whose length, breadth and areas, perimeters of geometrical shapes, right. Actually come to what is do you mean by mensuration, right, what is mensuration? So, where we are applying, how to apply and what is the important role in daily life, right. So, here mensuration means it is the word mensuration deals with measurement, right, measuring the quantity, physical quantities around us, right. What are the, suppose bringing 2 liters of milk to house, it is measuring the milk quantity in liters, right. Suppose you are going to walk for 2 kilometers, right. So, the distance what you are traveling is measuring with kilometers, which is the units, right. So, this is the measurements or measures the some physical quantities around us, right. And actually this measurements deals with what, some measurements of what, like length, breadth, right, and perimeter, area, what you are talking about in this chapter, right. And for example, here the mensuration is the branch of mathematics which deals with calculation of length, area, perimeter and volume. So, we will discuss, we know what is the length, we will go to discuss in this chapter about the areas and perimeters of some geometrical shapes, right. So, we know the triangles, circles, we know the triangle, right, in the shape of geometrical shape. We need to discuss what is the perimeter area of this triangle, right. And if we have one more geometrical shape which is circle, suppose you have circle. So, what about the perimeter and area of this circle? So, what is meant by perimeter, what is meant by area, we will discuss detailedly in this class, right. Now, come, right, now look at this picture, right. It is suppose it is a village which is a very clean and nice village here. In the villages what they do is, if the lands belong to them, they will bounded their places, right. So, suppose it is some place of some family in the village that belongs to this house. So, what they did is, there is some region which is bounded by this place belongs to that family, right. Here the two things will arise. So, what is, how much place is there belonging to, and to recover that place, and how to fence this, right. So, suppose the wire is required to fence it, how much length of the wire is required, how much length of the wire is required to fence this around, right. So, that is deals with the perimeter, that gives you the meaning of perimeter. So, what does it mean? What is the perimeter deals with is, we need to find the total distance along the boundary of the place, right. And the second thing is, how much place they occupied, that means belong to that family. How much place means, that is the total place, the region that is belonging to in the boundary, inside the boundary, the total place, that gives you the idea of area, right. It is the idea of area. So, that is the where we need to discuss about the perimeter of some geometrical shapes and the area of some geometrical shapes. I think you understood that what is the perimeter deals with, it is along the boundary of the given place, right, or region or shape, what is geometrical shape, and this is area is the total place or region inside the boundary is called the area. So, for different shapes, how to find the perimeters and areas we will discuss, right. Now, come to, for example, go to, suppose this is the room, right, it is some room, it is given. Suppose there is a mat, right, carpet, that should be paved inside this, right, this is. Now, thing is, this is the total place that the carpet should be occupies, right. So, this is gives the idea of area, it is the area, fine. What is area? That is so the total boundary, this is the boundary which gives the perimeter, okay, and the place inside the boundary is called the area. Fine. So, how to find these areas of different geometrical shapes we will discuss, right. Now, come to another one, which is this is the shape of door of the hall. Suppose it is the shape of the wall, right. Suppose this should be decorated or laminated. What do you do? Suppose this is the total length that is bounded, right. This total length is called perimeter, okay. The border of the geometrical shape, if you walk around this, you will get the shape of that, fine. That is the perimeter. So, that is the total place that should be laminated, it gives the area of that shape, okay, area of that shape, right. This is. So, the thing is, you need to go for the different shapes of geometrical figures and you need to find the perimeter and area. So, perimeter nothing but of any shape, if you walk along that shape around the boundary, you will get the perimeter. The space inside that boundary, it gives the area of the geometrical figure, right. Thank you.